Good morning, students. In the yesterday we started articles, introduction. What are the articles, and definitions of the indefinite kinds of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, a, an, and the are called articles. They are in fact demonstrative adjectives, and articles are two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, indefinite articles are and not refer to particular person, so they are called indefinite. The is the definite article. It refers to a particular or definite person or thing, so they are called that is called definite article. Okay, now today we are going to learn articles, the remaining rules. Okay, the first, some words start with a vowel letter. The vowel letters are what? A, E, I, O, U, but have consonant sound. So article A is used before them. In English, A, E, I, O, U are called vowel letters and remaining 21 are called consonant letters. So here, when a word is begin with vowel letter but have the consonant sound. For example, here university. Here article A is used. A university, because here you the pronounced here as you. Again, a universal, a universal, a European, a European, a unique thing, a U-shape curve. Okay, there are some words which begin with silent H. Again, in English, the second rule is there are some words which begin with silent H letter. The H is actually consonant letter, but when we used the H is in the beginning of the word, the H presents initially in some words is not pronounced. In such cases, article an is used before them. For example, our, an hour. H is the silent here, the pronounced as a. Next, an honest man, not honest, honest man. Next, an honorable teacher, an ear. But you observe the note, even some words begin with H and the sound H is pronounced, so it is not silent. In that cases, we have to use a humble man, a hint, a humorous story, a historical or historian. Next, an is used before the abbreviations which begin with A, E, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, and X are pronounced as individual letters. When these letters are used as individual in abbreviations, in that cases, before those letters, indefinite article an is used. An ISI agent, an LLB student, an RMP doctor, an MP, or MLA or MLC. When we used individual, then but a member of parliament, when we use it as a sentence, in that cases A is used. Next, note, regardless, if the abbreviation is said as a word, here also some examples. Okay, an HCL product, an SBI employee, an MBBS doctor, an LIC agent, an MA or MCom and MSc student, etc. These abbreviations, these letters are used when as individual, then takes the indefinite article an. Next, note, if the abbreviation is said as a word, that is called acronym. Some abbreviations are called as an acronyms. In that cases, the consonant sound, then article A is used before that. For example, SAARC country. Fill in the blank. Here, a SAARC and a NATO member. A NATO member, a BA or BCom or BSc student. Okay, here these acronyms take the indefinite article A. Okay, next remaining some word again one more rule. AR an is used before a singular countable noun may mean one. ఒక అనే అర్థంలో యూజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా దీన్ని ఉపయోగిస్తామమ్మా. ఈ స్టేడ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లాండ్ ఫర్ డాష్ మంత్, ఏ మంత్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ గివ్ మీ dash 100 rupee note please, a 100 means 100. Okay, next can I ask a question, one question. He brought a pen, one pen. He drove his car at 60 kilometers an hour. Okay, an hour means 1 hour. Next, bananas cost at rupees 40 per a dozen. A dozen means 1 dozen. Okay. Okay, remaining rules should be taught tomorrow class. Okay, if you have any doubts. Okay, thank you.